Nicholas, what are you gonna do? Nicholas, what are you gonna do? Okay, everyone watching. Woo! Yeah! Okay, there goes Cambria. Woo! Wow, you guys. Cambria, what are you doing? Nicholas, are you on vacation? Yeah? Wow, you're very good. I see you. Yeah. At your age, life is a vacation. Nicholas said, I want a pool at home.